Yeah. The old fire truck.
I think it's got lights, but the siren works.
The siren works?
Where's the switch for this?
Over here. No. Where's the lights?
I can't see.
Woo! There's the headlights.
The headlights don't work.
Oh. See, if I owned it, they would.
What?
I'm just kidding. Right here.
What?
Right there. Hang on.
On?
Yeah, but she don't light up. She's a spinner.
It's hard. It's still daylight.
No, there's no light, homie. All right, I'm going for a ride. She's got air brakes. Fucker's purring like a kitten. All right, I'm gonna pies her until I get it there.
Go. You're recording shit.
All right, homie.
What's this? You got brakes?
No. What are these brakes? Hang on, I think I'm in 6th gear.
You having fun yet, dude? Are you recording this?
We got this, yo. 60s fire truck.
Dude, it says pimp.
That's right, Fat Man and Woodpecker here.
Fat man and woodpecker.
That's right.
Whoa, careful.
I'm trying, dude. Fucking
Careful.
put her in here when she.
Don't get her stuck.
All right, hang on. We're gonna put her in race. Okay, we're in race. All right, ready?
Yep.
Ready to go. This is low gear. We got low range right now.
Low range, all right.
Alright. Alright, hang on. Fucking scrub oaks, man. We're back in the backwoods.
Stay in the backwoods.
Fire truck rescue.
You know it, dude. I got you on video.
Man.
Yeah, there weren't many trees back here before.
Yeah, I see that.
Been back here for 75 years.
Alright. Horn blows. Driver don't. I got no brakes. Who needs brakes?
You got no brakes, huh?
Yeah. No. Oh, choke's on. We'll throw her in neutral. What do we got there? Just like the parking brakes on.
It could not have brakes. It might not have brakes.
Yeah, well, it's air. And I'm hearing.
Fire truck.
I don't know. Time out.